Hi investors, JJ here. Welcome back. Well, today we're going to have a look at everybody's perma bull. What's he saying about Bitcoin this time? Tom Lee. What's his projection? He does like to give predictions, or they like him to give predictions. So what's he going to say? We're already in the second half of 2024. So he's got a prediction for the end of the year. Let's see what he's got to say.
You know that my insecurity about crypto manifested itself again in my feet of clay because I said, Tom Lee's going to be absolutely right about the 5,500. Why is he still saying 150 for Bitcoin? Why do that? Why not just focus on...
So keeping in mind that it's 62,700, is he still saying 150 by the end of the year, 6 months' time?
Don't stick your neck out because it was falling below 60,000. Now it's back to almost 63,000.
But it's up 105% for 1 year so far, so it's doing pretty well.
So that 6 trillion we just talked about, that sort of plays into your Bitcoin thesis.
That's right. Bitcoin's probably suffering from the Mt. Gox, starting distributions in July. That was a huge overhang for many years. But if I was investing in crypto knowing that one of the biggest overhangs is going to disappear in July, I think it's a reason to actually expect a pretty sharp rebound in the second half. So I think, 150.
Keeping in mind that the whole ETFs came out, Bitcoin ETFs came out, that was supposed to propel it, and it has, but it says it's going to go more, very bullish again.
He's still within...
It's already July 1st, so that's so you're not taking that off the table. That's still a possibility.
That's right. And one thing to keep in mind, Bitcoin makes most of its gains with 10 days every year. If you take out the 10 best days in a single year, Bitcoin actually has negative returns.
That's true. So it could rocket. Bitcoin has been known to rocket up. What do you think? What do you think of this? Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think it's going to rocket up and be 150 by the end of the year? Interesting. Perma bull, Tom Lee all the time. Sometimes he's wrong in bear market, which, let's face it, hasn't been much. Well, for Bitcoin it has, but in stocks it hasn't been, very much in the last decade, really. In 2022 he'd been wrong. But just a short clip from Tom Lee there saying 150,000. Let me know in the comments what you think. And I'm going to put a link on the screen to what YouTube thinks that you should watch next. It might be one of my videos, it might be not. And also subscribe to the channel if you want to get more of this kind of content in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.